In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Canon IP2770 error on your printer. As you can see, I'm on the support team over here, and this is a full guide to do this. As you can see, this guide was published on 23rd December 2011. Okay, so I'll scroll down a bit here, and I'll see the steps are over here. First step says turn off the printer, remove both the cartridges from the printer. Use a cloth moistured with alcohol to clean the surface of the contact or terminal connectors attaching the printer cartridge. You could also use a pencil eraser and then replace the cartridge. Turn on the printer. If you find the printer is now working well, and then you're good to go. But if it's still not working well, you can use a knife to clean the surface of the contact or terminal, and the cartridge is wiped to touch the printer in a way. But do not let the layer of the copper be depleted over here. Okay, and as you can see, they say good luck, and the author published this at 2:32 a.m. Okay, so that's how to fix the Canon IP2770 error on your printer. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.